everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me today. Super excited you're here because we're going to be getting into 6 loft pieces that I just got that give me those transitional vibes. I'm Laura if you're new. Zena's the tan puppy dog if you can see her. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We're so happy you're here. Please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so it's winter. If you live anywhere in a cold state like I do, there is probably 8 inches of snow on the ground or more. The temperatures are probably in the 20 degrees. That is my reality right now. But it is January, and that is when all of the things start to head towards gearing up for spring, right? The new spring collections start to come out, and you even start to think about, do I want to invest in any more warm weather items? So I picked 6 styles that I think will be fun for you to wear now, as well as head into the spring. We're going to start with this denim dress. How cute is this denim dress? This is in this really pretty pink, pale pink, buttons down the front. The sleeves have buttons. I cuffed them. They are perfect for me, so they're hitting me right at my wrist. I just like them cuffed instead. I paired them with boots. So you could go the high boot, which I think would be adorable. I did a bootie in this nice tannish pinky color. You could also do tennis shoes and really get some wear out of this. Put tights on if you're cold. Just really get wear out of this. You could also wear this as a jacket. So you could also wear this open over jeans and a white t-shirt. Love this. It is a denim material and there is no stretch. I bought my normal size, which is a 2, and it is fitting perfectly. So you can see I actually have room here around the hips. So let me know what you think of this first one. This one is called the Seamed Denim Mini Pocket Dress, and I got it on sale for $49.97. I love Loft sales. Always shop a sale. Wait for a sale. Don't pay for full price for anything at the Loft because there always will be a sale. Let's do something else. All right, this next outfit is fun. I have a sweater skirt on and then this awesome cardigan. The sweater skirt does come with a matching, I believe it's a matching jacket. They didn't have it available yet. It was on wait list, so I couldn't get it to share with you yet. But this skirt is so cute. I got my normal size, stretchy, comfy. The length is nice. You can wear it with white, wear it with whatever color you like. Red would look really pretty, pinks. And then I got a little spicy and put on a fun silver boot as we think about it's still cold out and fall before you transition into a fun mule or a sandal. Wear it now. Wear it right away. Put on tights if you like. Put on a fun boot. I think this is really cute. Now, this cardigan is very pretty. You can wear this with anything, right? It just buttons down the front. I have wearing it as a top, but you could definitely wear it as a cardigan. I also put on a little sweater belt and just made it look like it was tucked in. It's actually not tucked in. I just have it tucked under. And I think it makes for a nice look with the skirt, and you can see all of the white piping on it. But let me show it to you out, and let me show you my sweater belt as well, just so that you guys know. So here's what it looks like out. I think it's super cute. You can leave one button unbuttoned at the bottom. Like I said, you can wear it. See what I mean? It's adjustable. Looks like a bra strap, right? It has just a little hook. You put this around your waist. You can adjust it to whatever you like. These are very inexpensive. That way you're not messing with it all the time. You can just do your tuck and be done. Put this around your waist, right? And just hook it underneath your clothes, though. I'm just showing so you can see what it looks like. And then you take the clothes, whatever it is, whether it's a t-shirt or a blouse or a sweater, and you just wrap it around and hook it just like I had. So you do a fold under like this and tuck it under the belt. I'll put the link for this down below. I got a black one and a white one, and it was like $13. They're not expensive on Amazon. All right, let's talk about these items. So the Sailor Navy top stitch mini sweater skirt is $34.97. I got it on sale. I'm wearing an extra small. And then for the textured sweater jackets, they're actually calling this a sweater jacket. I'm wearing an extra small. I got it for $42.47. I do believe this one comes in another color. Here's the fabric. I think this is super pretty. But let me know what you think, and what do you think about wearing a metallic boot? Next up, all right, so this is the little black dress you didn't know you needed. This one is perfect for all seasons, depending on what you're doing. Even in the summer, if you have an evening party, perfect. You want to look a little bit more elegant at. Love. Okay, so this is from a stretchy material, very, very comfortable. It does have a side slit. I left on my spicy silver metallic booties for a date night. I think these would be great for right now. Throw on black tights again if you want, or nylons, but so, so cute. This is a, it's a, we'll call it maxi length, right? Maxi length, and has stitching. So I should say buttons. Buttons are stitched going the whole way down the side. So it gives it that off-centered look, right? Right down to the slit. So they start here in the middle, and then they come down like this. And they are stitched. It does have a collar. And they do call it a wrap, but it is all stitched. Let me show you that. Okay, see how the buttons, they come down here and then continue. Looks like it's wrapped. So they have this pull right here. Again, this is stitched. The fabrication is amazingly comfortable. For a more demure look, if you wanted to wear this into something more formal, throw on black booties, black high boots, black shoes, a black heel would be great. Or you could continue to be a little spicy and pop on a color. How about a red shoe or a pink shoe? You could also go with a gold metallic, I think would be fun, but I really like this. Such a pretty, pretty dress. And so comfortable. Again, if you wanted something that you wanted to wear to an event and you needed to pack it, this would be great. So think cruise, or if you're going on vacation, you would like to have one dressy item, this could be it. This is called the Knotted Button Wrap Midi Dress. I'm wearing a 2, which is my normal size. I got it for $44.97 on sale. All right, so we're down to the final 2 items, which are jackets. And instead of just putting on a pair of denim, which could be an easy pairing choice, I decided to be a little bit more provocative with my pairing choices and went with a simple black tank and how about a cool camo pant. All right, and so these are from my closet, the pants and the tank. What is from the Loft and is new that I am so in love with is this amazing jacket, which is in a Ponte knit. Love. It has the built-in, this one does not zip out, so it is a built-in hoodie in this gray. It is cropped, so it's hitting right below the waistband of the pants. You can see that hoodie in the back. Just put on a mule because we're thinking about, getting through now and later. And I absolutely am in love with this. So this does have a button as well as, of course, the inside zips. So let me just show that to you. Here's what it looks like if you just leave it unbuttoned with zipped, which I also think looks super cute. You could also style it with a cuff, which I think is also great. I'm always into a cuff, or you want to push up your sleeve. Here's the difference. You could also just push up your sleeve. So whichever one you like. And then you can also, we'll just push up the sleeve. You could also button it. And I think that looks cute. So all ways are simply adorable with this jacket. I wish you could feel the fabric because it feels so, so nice. Stretchy. These pockets are, I think, faux. I'm going to go with their faux. Nope, no, I'm wrong. They're sewn shut. They are real. Those are real pockets. Is this not the most adorable? I'm in love. Love. Okay. So this one is called the Lou & Gray Ponte Hoodie Blazer. So awesome. I'm wearing an extra small, and I got it on sale for $70. Oh, I love this. Final item to share with you today is this really cute cropped trench jacket. How adorable is this? I buttoned it all up for you. I like it, like just buttoned up and wearing just the way it is. I think this is adorable. Looks great with the camo. Love it. Does have pockets on the sides. It's so, so cute. Love the crop. It does have, oh, it does have an opening here in the back. Let me open that for you so you can see what it looks like. So here you go. Now you can see the back has that vent and the pleat. So, so cute. Here are the sleeves. I did a small petite. I was worried about the sleeves being too long, and I didn't want to have to worry about that. And you know, if you wanted to cuff it, you probably could, but they're like a wider sleeve, and I just wanted to be careful. So I have a small petite on, and I think it's working out pretty well. All right, let me show it to you open, and then we can wrap. How cute is this jacket? It's just a fun top layer for all the things. All right, so for the modern trench jacket, and as I said, I'm wearing a small petite, was $75 on sale for me, $75. And that is all my pieces. What did you think? I'm really loving these pieces because it kind of gives you that glimpse into spring, but these are pieces you can immediately start to wear, plus come up with new ideas of how to wear them once the warm weather starts to come. So really enjoyed it. I think my very, very favorite pieces were probably this jacket and the dress, this black dress. I say grab these quickly before they sell out. I think they are so amazing. I will say that this trench I'm also in love with. Now keep in mind, I picked these pieces, so I'm going to like them anyway. But I always wait to try them on with you to make sure that I like them. I thought this old jean dress was adorable. And then these are just fun pieces that you can wear with so many different things. Like I think this little skirt would look adorable with a navy blue top and this little trench. How cute would that be? So many different ways to wear these. And then don't forget, if you do grab this dress, wear it open as well. Put it on over top of a white tee and a cute pair of jeans or a graphic. It would be adorable. I will list all of these down below in case you would like to check any of them out for yourself. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. So appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.